Sushi is pumping very well, guys. Is Sushi will pump more or not? Let's see. Before starting this video, if you want to join my Telegram group, guys, join now my Telegram group, guys. Link is available in video description, guys. Sushi swap 1.06% US dollar, the current price of Sushi swap 7.13% the price up in last 24 hours, guys. Guys, I already give a signal about Sushiswap coin on my Telegram group, guys. That's why I'm telling you again and again that join my Telegram group, guys, because I provide a lot of signals every day on my Telegram and my members are making huge profit. So if you want to make profit, join now Telegram group, guys. Link is available in video description, guys. Sushiswap is pumped very well and now it's time to crash, guys. 17.33% the volume is now going down, guys. It's on top. So if you want to do short Sushiswap coin, so I recommend to do short Sushi coin, guys, because it's now on a top level and obviously it will crash for a short time. After a short time crash again, possibilities that it will pump, so you can do short Sushiswap on the current price, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.